I'm going to talk about creating customizations and attaching them to products. If you want to create a customization, you can go to the menu tab and you have your customizations right here below the categories. I suggest the first thing to do is look to see if that customization is already here. If not, then you can just create a brand new one. So you just click the Add New Customization button and you can give this customization a name. I will just call this Sandwich Toppings. If you want the name that shows up in the app to be different than the name that's here, you can also give it a title. If you leave it blank, the same name is going to be shown up in the app to your customers. Couple other things that you can do is you can set up minimum and maximum selectable options. So for example, if you want the user to select at least a number of options or not more than number of options that you set here, then you can set these numbers. For this one, I'm not going to set a minimum, but I'm going to set a maximum of 3. You can also rearrange the how the customizations appear in the when the customer goes to that product by using the position ordering. You can make the customization selection mandatory or optional. So if it's optional, then customer doesn't need to make a selection. They can just add that item to their order. But if you make it mandatory, then they need to make the selection. In this case, if I select yes, then they need to select at least 3 before they can add this item to their order. You can also give this customization a description if you want. And then click Apply Changes. So now this sandwich toppings customization has been created. After this, then you need to create the options for this customization. So you just click the button right next to the customization, go to Options, and start adding your options. So this one, I'm just going to give it a name, olives, and the price add-on. This one, I'm going to say it's free, so 0. I'll add a new option. Pickles. The price for this one, let's say it's 50 cents. Apply changes. Add another one. Tomatoes. And this one is free as well. Okay, so I created a customization with 3 options. So I'm going to back to the menu to attach this customization that I just created to a sandwich. So I'm going to attach it to this beef sandwich here. Now you need to do this individually for each product that you want to have this customization. So click the edit button and scroll down. You see this button right next to the trash icon. If you click that, you'll see more options. And you can add the customization you just created by clicking the Add Customization button. Select from the drop down. So remember the name, we call that Sandwich Toppings. Click Add. So now the customization has been added to this sandwich. Just remember that if your product has different variations, like for example, if this sandwich came in 2 different sizes, then you need to attach the customization for each size separately. Otherwise, it will only be added to one variation. Make sure to click Apply Changes after you're done.